Hey, I have studied too much about the programming and development, but now we have to look at about how to deploy these all the things and DevOps. DevOps is the operation part after development. So how can your model can be deployed on a production system so there you can uh, you can serve your model to the end user without any hurdles. So first of all, you have chosen your programming language. There, you have developed your application. There is so many programming languages like Python, Ruby, Node.js, Go, Rust, C, C++. So these are the programming language. After that, you have developed your all the tools. Then after that you have to set up your OS setup, so your uh, programming language will work on that, for process management, thread concurrency, bucket, post sockets, POSIX basics, network concepts, etc., etc. You have to work on for the kernel communication. Then after that, after doing this development, you need to be IO management, virtualization. So how can you run your program if you want to be run on a standalone CPU system, or you just want to be virtualized in a separate environment. Then memory, storage, file system, what you think you want to be. And after that, you need to uh, focus about which operating systems you want to be work on, like Unix, Ubuntu, Linux system, Windows system, which system you want to be. Apart from that, after choosing your OS part, uh, you need to be work on network security and protocols. So which protocols you want to be uh, like networking, like emails for the SMTP, IMAPS, POP, uh, DMRC, SPF, POPJS is, and which protocols you want to be use, like HTTP, HTTP3, FTP, SSL, TLS, SSH, port forwarding, such kind of things you have to do. Uh, After that, doing all the things, you need to be do some proxy setting and reverse proxy forwarding things you need to do, and like catching service, load balancing thing you need to also do there. And after that, you need to choose some web server where you can deploy your model, like nginx, Apache, Tomcat, Caddy, such kind of things you need to choose. After choosing all things, you need to work on containerization part of things, like Docker, uh, Docker. After that, Dockerization, you also need to be the orchestrate these Docker. So you need to be choose Kubernetes. Then you also need to work on the CI/CD pipelines. So how can you work on CI/CD, like Jenkins, uh, GitLab CI, Azure DevOps Circle CI. So GitHub Actions, you need to work on that. And after that, doing all the things, you need to be work on some cloud part like Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, mm, Digital Ocean. uh, so after all the things you have done this, uh, infrastructure monitoring like Promo, Litus, Jobix, Jogger, log management, such kind of things you need to do. Then after you have completed, your task has been completed. So that's all. Now thank you.